This is a major lesson for all of us. 45 seconds turn the homeowner to homeless. 45 seconds turn kids who have parents to orphans. 45 seconds turn men and women into widows. 45 seconds turn people who own businesses to jobless. 45 seconds. Now we understand the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wallahi, whomsoever wake up in the morning and have three things, and now we feel it. He's safe in his house. He is healthy. And he has provision for one day. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this person as if he owns the whole dunya. And isn't that true? Wallahi, think about it. This person who in 45 seconds lost everything.